there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the smartest purchasing decision. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing two flying beasts from Holy Stone, the HS720 and the HS175D. Buckle up because it's about to get drone-tastic. Let's start with the price, because who doesn't like to save a few bucks, right? The HS720 will set you back a cool $249. Meanwhile, the HS175D is a tad cheaper at $229. So if you're a penny pincher, the HS175D might just be your new best friend. But let's see if the extra 20 bucks for the HS720 is worth it. All right, camera geeks, this one's for you. Both drones boast a 4K camera, but let's break it down. The HS720 has image stabilization and a shock absorption holder. Fancy, right? It's like having a tiny, airborne Steadicam. Reviewers praise its ability to capture clear video footage even in challenging conditions. The hydrogen sulfide D's 4K camera also delivers crisp, ultra-clear images with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers highlight its picture quality and stability, though some mention minor issues with electronic image stabilization. Great for when you want to capture your neighbor's backyard barbecue in stunning detail. Just kidding, don't do that. Next up, let's talk about those sweet flight features. The HS720 comes with GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Path Flying, and Point of Interest, perfect for feeling like a secret agent or a movie director. Reviewers love its impressive GPS features and reliable return-to-home function. Oh, and it's FAA compliant with remote ID, so you can fly worry-free knowing you're not breaking any laws. On the other hand, the HS175D also has GPS auto return, so you won't lose it to the Bermuda Triangle. Plus, it's got altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjust. Reviewers appreciate its ease of flying and the effectiveness of features like Follow Me and Waypoint. It's basically like having a drone that's smarter than your average teenager. Now, let's talk power, because nobody likes a mid-air crash landing. The HS720 comes with two batteries, giving you a total of 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are impressed with its good battery life, though they mention a long recharge time. That's enough for a mini aerial road trip. The HS175D isn't far behind, with its two batteries providing up to 46 minutes. Reviewers find it sufficient for their needs, though it has a slightly shorter flight time compared to the HS720. Just enough to film your dog's epic backyard adventures or your cat's failed parkour attempts. Last but not least, let's discuss portability. The HS720 has a foldable design and a carrying case, making it easy to lug around. Reviewers find it compact and easy to transport, but the HS175D comes in lighter, under 250 grams, and also has a foldable fuselage design. Reviewers love its lightweight nature and portability. It's like the difference between carrying a feather and, well, a slightly heavier feather. So if you're planning on taking your drone on a world tour, the HS175D might just be your travel buddy. Both the Holy Stone HS720 and HS175D have received positive reviews, but they cater to slightly different needs. The HS720 is praised for its advanced features, stability, and impressive GPS capabilities, making it ideal for more serious drone enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the HS175D is celebrated for its ease of use, lightweight design, and suitability for beginners. Reviewers appreciate the value both drones offer at their respective price points. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS720 versus the HS175D. Both drones pack a punch, but which one will you choose? The feature-rich HS720 or the budget-friendly, ultra-portable HS175D? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, buy smart, stay smart.